autographs. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Lorenzo, here.
Oh, sorry.
It's the other.
Other group.
Yeah. Do you want to get in closer? I can get out of the way if you guys want.
Oh yeah, I got good. Okay. I can go above it.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. You're extremely tall. That is true.
It's actually staying a long time.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Welcome to Toronto.
Yeah, get in there.
Nice. That's
Get in
cool.
there. Should have got a picture. Baby.
What's that?
Oh, that's dope.
We should have got a picture with the sign.
Yeah.
Well, I'm sure they took photos. And he's in front of it, shaking our hands. Should we ask to try to get Shem?
Shem.
Do you know that guy?
I was just trying to remember his name. I couldn't remember. Hey, could you grab Shem for me? Could you grab Shem for a second? Just a second. Okay. I'm just gonna see if we could get a picture in front of the banner. That's all. Just in front of this. Yeah.
Something going on over there.
Yeah. Oh, he knows the camera.
The dog's coming back.
I'm gonna take a picture. You guys have the same.
No, of course not. Of course not. I'm just seeing if we can get it, to be honest.
Shem.
Can we get
Shem. Shem. Can we get a picture?
Can we go in here?
Thank you.
Thank you. Get in here. Get in here.
Lorenzo, per favore.
Cheers. Thank you. Thank you.
Forza Insigne!